Hello beautiful people, Darren here from Art by Darren with another Art Start Christmas DIY. Today let's make some magnets for the fridge. So starting off with these quite large wood rounds, and I'm using a chalk paint here just to give it actually only one coat on this one. You can see that I'm lining up the edge of my brush with one of the rings. It's the easiest way I've found to paint them. It also keeps them looking natural. If you flood the whole plane with paint, it just doesn't, you sort of lose that woodness of it. Anyway, we're using some moulding paste and some acrylic paste to give us some texture. And these little, what are they called? Stencils. Now you can see here, I'm only touching it a couple of times with the palette knife and then wiping it off afterwards, of course. But here I show you as a demonstration, I go over and over and over again, and you'll see how it makes it sort of leak underneath the stencil. And so we go back to the way that you should do it, which is just 1 or 2 strokes, and that's it. Giving a nice crisp line. And of course use up the leftover paint, making a little card or something from it. Now these acrylic pens are great for this kind of task, just colouring in these red stars to go on top. Helps rather than getting out all the paints. And a little bit of foliage, some hot glue to stick it all together, and magnets to go on the back. Now here I'm showing you can actually repair it if you do make a mistake like this. It does take a couple of coats. I think I did 3 on this one, and a steady hand as well. So you sort of paint with the white and then you're going to go in with a black pen over the top, because you'll get white where you want the black and all that sort of stuff. It can be a bit infuriating going backwards and forwards, but it looks okay. So he's sticking on the craft magnets. Just make sure you know which side is magnetic. There is a side to each of them. The striped side on these ones goes towards the wood, and here they are. These are the little magnets that we made last year, so if you want to learn how to do those, I'll link those as well. So thanks so much for joining me today. Just a quick one. Merry Christmas. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye now.